Goyal Brothers Prakashan is pleased to present Mathematics Enrichment Lab Activities for Class 9, a comprehensive and thoughtfully designed activity-based resource. Developed in alignment with the latest CBSE NCERT syllabus and in accordance with the National Education Policy 2020 and National Curriculum Framework. This book aims to make learning mathematics engaging, practical, and meaningful. Salient features of the book: student-friendly layout with clear presentation of concepts, attractive multicolor illustrations and diagrams to enhance visual understanding, simple and easy-to-understand language suitable for all learners, detailed step-by-step explanations for each activity to ensure clarity of process, activities and projects based on the NCERT CBSE syllabus have been elaborated for better comprehension. Ample number of blank sheets have been provided for students to record their observations and work. This book is designed to promote experiential learning and helps students develop strong conceptual understanding, logical and analytical thinking, and practical applications of mathematical concepts. Whether used in the classroom or for independent practice, Mathematics Enrichment Lab Activities for Class 9 serves as an effective tool to make mathematics interactive, engaging, and enjoyable for every student.